Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Prudence Coaching English class. In this particular channel, you will get ICSE, CBSE, and WBBSE solutions. So, my dear students, as usual, we came up with an important topic, that is formal letter, and here we are going to discuss a formal letter. So, let us see the question or the topic of this letter. Write a letter to the mayor of the municipal corporation of your city complaining about the miserable condition of the roads and insanitary condition of drainage system in your locality. So, my dear students, let us see the letter. First, you are going to write the address of the municipal corporation. But before that, you must know that you are not writing the letter to the municipal corporation but to the mayor of that particular municipal corporation. So, you are going to write the mayor. After that, you will write the name of that municipal corporation. So, here we have written Kolkata Municipal Corporation. After that, you need to write the pin code and you need to write the date. For date, you will write 15th, means the date on which you are writing the letter. After that, you need to write the month name in full. After that, give a comma and write the year. Next, we will write the subject. So here subject is miserable roads and insanitary condition of the drainage system. After writing the subject, we are going to write the salutation. So we will write dear sir and give a comma. In the first paragraph of the body after salutation, we will give a brief intro of the letter. So we will write like this: on behalf of the residents of my area, I hereby inform you about the miserable condition of roads and poor drainage system in our locality. After the brief introduction, in the next paragraph, we will explain the condition or the poor and miserable condition of our locality. So let's start. The streets are not swept regularly. The municipal cleaning staff has been disappeared since last 2 months. The piles of garbage can be seen everywhere in our society. Bad smell is arising from these refuges which cannot be borne by the residents. Besides, the roads are broken in several places, so it is very dangerous to drive on such roads. The drain water is overflowing from gutters. This water has turned into big ponds. This odorous atmosphere may give birth to many dangerous diseases like malaria, dengue, and cholera. So, after giving all these details in the second paragraph about the poor condition of your locality, in the third paragraph, you are going to request the mayor to look into this matter. So, let's write a conclusion here. So, it is our earnest request to you to take necessary steps to look into the matter at your earliest. We are looking forward to your prompt and positive response regarding this matter. So, with this, we will conclude or end our body. So, after that, we will write a thanking note by writing thank you. After thank you, you leave a line and write yours sincerely and your name. After that, you will write your full name, and after that, you will write your address, and with this, we will end our letter. So, my dear students, with this, we come to the end of this particular video. If you find this content helpful for you, then like, share, subscribe, and also click on the bell icon to get regular update from this particular channel. And don't forget to check the description box where we will give the link of the playlist and other videos relating to ICSE, CBSE, and WBBSE. Till then, students, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Prepare well for your exam and let's make the learning fun. So, bye bye, students.